What's going on, family? Wanted to give you an update before I walk off. I'm summing up my day at the HogOn Cafe. I got my rails and my top runners up. I still have to put my middle ones in, but I got it all formed and formatted and tacked in. Once I get everything tacked in and like I want it, then I fall back and weld everything up. So that's what my goal is going to be. I still have to put a couple things, cut a couple more pieces. So I'll be doing that tomorrow, getting some more pieces lined out. Like I say, I ordered a lot of materials, so I've been getting what I can do, man. You know, the goal is to do what you can do while you can do it. So don't complain. You might not have the best situation or the help at the moment, but just keep at it. You know what I mean? Things are going to work out in the long run, and then soon you'll be able to kick your feet up and say, hey, I did this with my hands. So that's the goal with getting your hog on, is actually coming out here and doing it yourself and living to be remembered. Hog on.